Okay, boys and girls, now we're gonna start practicing the verbs and expressions in these activities. Can you say what are these actions related to technology and computers? Remember, when there's a camera and we put the photos from the camera to the computer, how do we call this? Upload the photos. Very good. And when we make these photos on a paper, how do we call them? Print the photos. All right, so let's remember what are the other expressions and write them below the pictures. Then we need to make sentences based on what we see in the picture. Like the example, she has already written the email, but she hasn't sent it yet. So the email is here on the screen, but not sent yet. How would you say this? We see camera with a cable to the computer and a printer next to it. So how would we make this sentence? He, because it's a boy, has already uploaded the photos, but he hasn't printed them yet. We choose it or them, depending if it's singular or plural. Now you try to make yourself, the sentence afterwards. If we turn the page, you'll need to make the questions about the previous exercise B. So, has she written the email yet? What we see? Yes, she has written it. How would you make the question number 2? Has he printed the photos yet? And the answer is no, he hasn't printed them. Then you try the question number 3 based on the information you wrote on the third sentence. Now you need to complete with a greeting or a closing and choose what is each of these expressions in these emails, in these short emails. So, to Kate, and the subject is vacation. Who wrote it? On Linda. All right, so what are we going to write here? Dear Kate. Very good, dear Kate, because on Linda is talking to Kate. Dear Kate, how was your vacation? And then what is going to say? Write soon or your niece? If she's the aunt, it's impossible. It says your niece, because the niece is Kate. So write soon. And then Kate answers and she says to Aunt Linda, hi, Aunt Linda. Very good. I had a great vacation. I went rafting with my family. And the closing, because Kate is Aunt Linda's niece, says your niece, Kate. All right, to practice this, can you recopy these emails next to these boxes? This way you will get the practice of writing emails and making sure you remember the greetings and the closings.